In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to an Apex domain, transitioning from the www version to the root domain. This can be a game changer for those of you looking to streamline your web presence by ensuring that visitors land directly on your main page, without the need for www. The first step is buying a domain. If you haven't done this yet, there are many registrars like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domains where you can search for and purchase a domain name that fits your brand or project. Once you have your domain, you'll definitely want to have access to its DNS settings, as these will be crucial when we move forward. Next, let's set up your Notion site. Within Notion, you'll want to first make sure that the page you wish to host is published. Notion provides the option to publish pages to the web, which is a powerful feature. This allows your page to be accessed via a custom URL. You'll need the shareable link to your Notion page later, so keep it handy. Now, we need to configure a redirect. Redirecting www to the root domain requires updating your DNS records. You'll typically set up two records, one CNAME record for www and an A record for the root domain. The CNAME record should point to the target your DNS provider specifies, usually something similar to ghs.googlehosted.com when using Google services. However, this can differ based on your DNS provider. The A record will often point to an IP address provided by your hosting service, and this needs to align with the configuration requirements of your platform or hosting provider. The key here is ensuring that visitors reaching your domain's www version seamlessly reach the intended page without disruptions. This process might sound complex, but most DNS providers have comprehensive guides to walk you through it, or even customer support to help with any issues. Once you've set up your DNS records correctly, patience is required. Changes to DNS settings can take a while to propagate across the internet, sometimes up to 48 hours, although it often happens much quicker. Once everything is configured and has had time to propagate, test your setup by typing your domain into a browser. If done correctly, it should direct visitors straight to your Notion page. This not only makes your site cleaner, but also simplifies the user experience, giving a professional edge to your online presence. And there you have it. By integrating a Notion site with your domain, you're well on your way to expanding your digital footprint effectively and simply. Remember to always double-check your DNS entries to ensure that they match the requirements and that all changes are saved correctly. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating!